Welcome to our Automotive Insights channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue many car owners face: rough idle. Our goal is to help you understand what causes rough idle, how it affects your vehicle, and the steps you can take to address it. Rough idle refers to an irregular or unstable engine operation when a vehicle is idling. During idle, the engine is running but not under load, such as when the vehicle is stopped at a traffic light or parked. A smooth idle is characterized by a consistent and steady engine speed, typically around 600 to 1000 RPM for most passenger vehicles. Causes of rough idle. 1. Clogged air filter. The air filter in a car prevents dirt, debris, and contaminants from entering the engine. Over time, the filter can become dirty or clogged, restricting airflow to the engine. When airflow is restricted, the engine receives less air than it needs for proper combustion, resulting in a lean air-fuel mixture. This imbalance can lead to rough idling, as the engine struggles to maintain a stable idle speed. 2. Vacuum leaks. The vacuum system in a car helps regulate various functions, including the air-fuel mixture and the operation of certain engine components like the EGR valve. When there's a leak in the vacuum system, unmetered air can enter the engine, disrupting the air-fuel ratio. This can lead to an overly lean or rich mixture, causing rough idling as the engine struggles to maintain the correct fuel mixture. 3. Faulty MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and sends this information to the engine control unit. The engine control unit utilizes this data to adjust the fuel injection accordingly. If the MAF sensor is faulty or dirty, it may provide incorrect readings to the ECU, leading to an improper air-fuel mixture and rough idling. 4. Engine misfires. Engine misfires occur when the air-fuel mixture fails to ignite properly in one or more cylinders. This can happen due to various reasons, including faulty ignition components, fuel delivery problems, or engine timing issues. Misfires disrupt the smooth operation of the engine, resulting in rough idling. 5. Bad IAC valve. The IAC valve controls the amount of air entering the engine during idle. If the IAC is faulty or dirty, it may fail to regulate airflow properly, leading to erratic idle speed and rough idling. 6. Bad oxygen sensor. Oxygen sensors play a critical role in monitoring and regulating the air-fuel mixture in the engine. They measure the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and provide this information to the engine control unit, which then adjusts the fuel injection accordingly to maintain the optimal air-fuel ratio. When an oxygen sensor is faulty or malfunctioning, it may provide incorrect readings to the ECU. This can result in improper fuel mixture adjustments, leading to rough idle. 7. Clogged fuel injector. Fuel injectors are responsible for delivering fuel into the engine cylinders in a precise and controlled manner. A malfunctioning fuel injector may not atomize fuel properly, leading to uneven distribution of fuel within the combustion chamber. This can result in incomplete combustion, causing rough idling. 8. Bad fuel pump. A failing fuel pump may not be able to maintain adequate fuel pressure, especially at lower engine speeds such as during idle. Insufficient fuel pressure can lead to a lean air-fuel mixture, which can cause rough idling as the engine struggles to combust the lean mixture properly. 9. Bad fuel rail pressure sensor. The fuel rail pressure sensor provides crucial information to the engine control unit to regulate fuel pressure. If the sensor is faulty and providing incorrect readings, the ECU may not be able to adjust the fuel pressure accurately. This can lead to an improper air-fuel mixture, causing rough idle as the engine struggles to maintain stable combustion. 10. Bad ignition coil. Ignition coils are responsible for converting the low voltage from the battery into the high voltage needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. A faulty ignition coil may not produce strong enough sparks to ignite the air-fuel mixture consistently. Weak sparks can lead to incomplete combustion in the cylinders, resulting in rough idle. 11. Bad spark plug. Spark plugs play a crucial role in igniting the air-fuel mixture within the engine cylinders. A worn-out or faulty spark plug may not ignite the air-fuel mixture properly in the combustion chamber. This can lead to incomplete combustion, causing rough idle. 12. Faulty EGR valve. The EGR valve is responsible for recirculating a portion of exhaust gases back into the engine's intake manifold to reduce nitrogen oxide emissions. A clogged EGR valve can restrict the flow of exhaust gases into the intake manifold, affecting the engine's ability to regulate the air-fuel mixture. This can cause rough idle as the engine receives insufficient exhaust gas recirculation, leading to improper combustion and instability at idle. 13. Bad PCV valve. The PCV valve is responsible for regulating the flow of gases between the crankcase and the intake manifold. When the PCV valve malfunctions or becomes clogged, it can disrupt the air-fuel mixture and engine performance, leading to rough idle. 14. Clogged throttle body. The throttle body is a component of the air intake system that regulates the airflow into the engine. When the throttle body becomes clogged with dirt, carbon buildup, or other debris, it can restrict airflow, disrupting the air-fuel mixture. This imbalance can lead to rough idle as the engine struggles to maintain proper combustion with insufficient airflow. Addressing the underlying cause of rough idle is essential not only to ensure smooth engine operation but also to prevent further damage to the vehicle's components and maintain optimal performance and fuel efficiency. Therefore, it is recommended to fix the rough idle issue as soon as possible to enjoy a comfortable journey.